Look at Molly back here. I just can't, she's so cute. Hey guys, what's up? I'm filming this from my phone right now, but hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all staying well and staying safe. Today is going to be a whipped vanilla matcha. It is going to be the best thing you've ever put in your mouth. It is amazing. I mean, the highlight of my day is making my iced coffee or my iced matcha. I'll link my iced coffee recipe down below if you haven't seen that video. But I've never done a dedicated matcha video, and I am the matcha queen. I love matcha so much. It gives you a lot of energy, just like caffeine and coffee, but it's natural caffeine and it's sustainable. So throughout the day, it's just like up versus coffee can be like down. So there's no like drop in energy, and I love it. And it has so many antioxidants and it's just delicious. I've been obsessed with whipped matcha. It's just creamier. It has more of a taste. There are some options with this recipe, which I'll go into as we make it, but it is delicioso. If you've tried matcha and you didn't like it, give this recipe a try, please. I promise you it will change your mind. Also, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Ignore my nail, it literally just popped off, so I'm gonna go glue it back on. Without further ado, let's do this. So these are all the ingredients you need if you want to screenshot or stop the video here. You will need a matcha whisk, a little bowl, some matcha powder. I got mine at the grocery store. I'll also link my favorite one on Amazon down below. Your milk of choice, your sweetener of choice, and some heavy whipping cream. First, you want to get half a cup of some hot water, and I'm going to go ahead and add some honey, but you can use any sweetener you want. I'm going to start with this and mix it in the water while it's hot, so that way it doesn't clump up on the bottom of the drink. Then you're gonna wanna take a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of matcha. This just depends on how potent you want it. You're gonna put it in the water and you're gonna whisk back and forth in a W or a letter M motion. Don't go in a circle. Go back and forth and whisk until it's nice and frothy. Now we're gonna add a third cup of heavy whipping cream. This is going to make it super creamy and super foamy, and it adds a really rich taste. I'm using this little handheld frother I also got on Amazon. I'll link it down below. And we are going to froth this baby up and make it creamy and delicious. Fill up a cup with ice and go ahead and add your milk. I'm using oat milk. I love Oatly. It's so good. And you're gonna wanna pour it about 3/4 of the way up. And I'm gonna add this sugar-free French vanilla syrup, just a splash, or maybe two. And then pour your matcha on top, and that is literally it. You have a creamy, frothy French vanilla matcha. If you don't want the creamy version, all you have to do is follow these steps. Just don't add the heavy whipping cream. And that is it for my delicious matcha recipe. I hope you guys try it out. Make sure to tag me on social media if you do. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave my YouTube channel. Leave me any requests down below. I hope you guys are staying safe and well. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Say bye, Molly. Say bye. You're not gonna say anything? All right, she just wants to sit there.